What's the meaning of colorblind? Colorblind. Colorblind.
Colorblind. Colorblind. The term colorblind refers to a condition in which an individual has difficulty distinguishing between different colors. People with this condition are not actually blind to color, rather, they simply have a reduced ability to perceive colors in the way that most individuals do. This can make it challenging for them to identify and distinguish colors, which can impact their daily activities such as driving or working with electrical wires. There are different types of color blindness, some more severe than others, and it is typically caused by genetic abnormalities.